Hello, my name is Ellie from Seaford MG, and today I'm going to be showing you around the MG ZS Excite that we've just recently had come into stock. Now this particular model, being the Excite, has got plenty of features. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning and got such a low mileage of just 442. It has got the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, keyless entry as well, as it is the automatic 1 litre turbo model. You've got the fabric seats with the red stitching on the interior there, the centre armrest, and also the brand new 10.1 inch touchscreen, and that comes with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, DAB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. This car also features cruise control, and as you come round to the rear of the vehicle, you'll notice you've got the added benefit of reversing sensors as well. This car will have the remaining of its 7-year warranty. But if you would like a personalised video of the car, or you have any questions or would like to book an appointment, then please feel free to either visit our website or give us a call on 01323 898818.